Islami Serli. I am student of Ibrahimi Islamic University, Genteng, Banyuwangi. In this video, I will to tell you about a folktale stories. The title is A Golden Snail, or the most people know is Keong Emas. This story starts from ancient time. There is a kingdom of Daha. The king name is Prabu Kertamarta. He has two daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandrakirana. Chandrakirana was a beautiful and kind girl, but not her sister. Dewi Galuh was an evil, and in one day, Chandrakirana was engaged with Prince of Kahuripan Kingdom named Raden Inokartapati, who was handsome and wise. This engagement made Dewi Galuh invite to her sister, and then she went to a witch to harm Chandrakirana. The witch agreed to do Dewi Galuh acts. When Chandrakirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and cursed her, "Be a snail." The witch changed her into a golden snail. After that, Dewi Galuh threw her, which became a golden snail in the river. And one day, there is an old woman was looking for fish in the river using net. When she wanted to leave the net, she saw a golden snail transport in net. And then she broke a golden snail, went home, and put it in a jar. Next day, the old woman back to river to looking for fish, but unfortunately, she didn't get any fish. She was disappointed and back to home. However, when she arrived at home, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes had been presented at the top of the table. This incident occurred over and over next day. The old woman was curious. She finally decided to find out who did it to her by pretending to go the river. She hid behind her house and peeked at what's going on inside. And then she saw a golden snail turned into a beautiful woman and cooked meals for her. Soon the old woman came to house and said, "Who are you, to beautiful woman?" Chandrakirana explained that she was a princess from the kingdom of Daha, and the witch changed her to a golden snail. After explaining that, the old woman invited Chandrakirana to stay with her. In the kingdom, the news of Chandrakirana's loss made Prince Inokartapati confused and sad. He searched Chandrakirana all over kingdoms and villages. On his own way, Inokartapati was helped by an old man who has greed. Inokartapati told the purpose of his journey. After knowing that, the old man told Inokartapati to search her in Dadapan village. He thanked the old man and continued his journey to Dadapan village. After walking 4 days, Inokartapati arrived in Dadapan village. He felt very tired, and then she saw a small hut and approached it. He was shocked because he saw his fiance was cooking through the window. And then they immediately entered the hut to see her. Finally, they were both very happy because they met and the magic was lost. Inokartapati was grateful to old woman, and then he brought Chandrakirana and the old woman to the palace. After arriving in the palace, the king was very happy because his daughter had returned, and he also knew what happened his daughter can lose. Knowing her sister had been found, Dewi Galuh ran away from the palace because she afraid being punished by her father. And the ending story is Inokertapati, the prince of Kahuripan, and Chandrakirana, the princess of Daha, was married and they lived happily ever after. Okay everyone, that's full story about golden snail, or we can say keong emas. I think enough for this video. Hope you like it and see you.